Everyone hates driving in Los Angeles, but my favorite time is in my car. And so I got the Corolla because all my other cars had crapped out on me. I used to date this. She was an adult with a job and like a 401k, and I was not. We were huge on road trips. I knew her for 3 months before we went to Santa Barbara. What happened there was she just freaked out about everything. We went out to this nice seafood restaurant, and she just freaked out on the waiter. Maybe we're out of shampoo. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna freak out, or are you just gonna be cool with it? She freaked out. We went there, found out we were not right for each other, and then took the awkward ride home. I normally don't listen to the radio, but I was just like, we're gonna listen to this radio. So we had since broken up. But now that I have my Corolla, I feel more like an adult. My name is Drew Arthur, and this is my Toyota autobiography.